Welcome to the Twisted Dragon channel.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to apply a laser printed water slide to a coffee mug. I start out by wiping the mug down with rubbing alcohol to make sure the slide doesn't come off after it's dried. When I print my water slides, I mirror them. I do this because it makes the decal much easier to transfer to the cup. It also protects the ink from any scratches since it's underneath the water slide film. I try to use room temperature water to soak the water slide in. I like to use a small Pyrex dish, but you can use whatever you have available. When I'm cutting around my design, I curve the cut. I learned this trick from April over at Crafty Ma Designs. I'll link her Facebook group in the description. She makes beautiful stuff. Your cut doesn't need to be perfect. The edges will be barely visible once it is on the cup and dried. When you've trimmed off the excess, just drop your decal in the water. It'll curl up right away, don't worry, that is completely normal. Once it soaks for a bit, it'll begin to flatten out. When I am applying decals, I will elevate the back of my cup stand. This makes it easier for me to place the design in the right spot and make sure it's straight. I didn't put enough water in the dish to completely submerge the decal while it's curled up, so I am just helping the edges soak. When it starts to separate from the backing, you're ready to place it on the cup. When you lift it out, make sure you keep the decal against the backing. Wet the cup and then place the decal on the cup, face down, backing up. If it doesn't separate easily, just place it back in the water until it slides around on the backing easily. Then try again. Once you've got the decal on the cup, slide the backing off of it. If you wet the cup before you applied it, you can slide the decal around until you get it right where you want it. Once it's where I want it, I use a silicone brush to get the water out from under it. I wet the brush and hold the decal in place with a finger and gently squeegee the water from underneath it. Take your time, be gentle, water slides are delicate and rip and crease easily. If you end up with an edge folded under, gently work it out. As I said, the decals are extremely fragile. Make sure to keep your brush wet so it doesn't pull the decal and move it, crease it or rip it. Make sure to get all water and air from under the decal, or it can cause the decal to crack once dried. Once that's done, I like to use a microfiber towel. I got these at Harbor Freight with a coupon. You can usually get good quality sets for a decent price there. I start from the center and gently apply pressure, working towards the edges of the decal. This helps get any little bits you may have missed with the brush. This application process works with inkjet water slides as well. Just be sure to seal your image first. You can also bake the cup, if it's oven safe, to help cure the decal. Personally, I don't do this. I've never had any issues with the image coming off. My link tree is in the description. It has a link to the water slide paper I use.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.